Okay, so quiz question of the day. A compressor has a power input of 0.88 kW per ton. What is the coefficient of performance? Here's some options. Let me show you how to calculate this. Okay, so here's what we know. 0.88 kW per ton. COP is calculated as the cooling output in kW divided by the power input in kW. We know the power input is 0.88 kW and the output is a ton, so we have to convert the tonnage to kW. So we know that 1 kW was 3,412 BTUs per hour. So the COP equals 12,000 BTUs, which is a ton, and then we conversion factor to convert that into BTUs, or kW, divided by the kW input, which turns out to be 3.516 divided by 0.88, which equals 3.99, which equals, we round that up to 4, and we can see the answer here for this question is a COP of 4.